Record.
So, hello, parents. So it's really wonderful to see you all here. It's so pleasant. And I truly acknowledge your concern for the screen time of your kids. We all know that we are living in a world which is now dominated by technology. Basically, an adult place. But we find children entering into it quite early. And the pandemic has taken such a drastic change that it has made kids come closer to technology, more so for the reason of the education. The online education is the new norm, and we cannot deprive our children. So it's a great concern for parents whether they should encourage technology or they should discourage from the children. They're really in a dilemma. So let's address this issue of parents. So Nanki, it's great to have you here. Let me hear you out. What do you feel about it? What are your
Hello, ma'am.
views? Yeah, hello.
I feel that yes, definitely we need to do something about this. This is like a major problem these days because जितना भी बच्चों को बोलो that अपना screen time reduce करने को, they are like, and it's become also as parents now we are so busy in everything like managing work and job side by side. So sometimes we also feel that it's an easy way to keep the child distracted and make them do like बच्चा तो खाना भी आजकल टैब के बिना नहीं खाता है. तो I feel that this is something although we know that it is something which is harming them, but at the same time I feel that हम क्या करें, what should we do about it, that we also don't have the time at our at our convenience to handle and keep them busy also. So we also feel it's easier for us अगर वो टैब पे रहेंगे या कुछ टीवी देखेंगे whatever. So then the child is also occupied and we could also focus on our work and life becomes easier if I talk about it that way.
True, very true. So how old is your kid?
He's 5 years.
5 years. And
Yeah.
is he interested in screens?
Sorry, ma'am?
Is he interested in screens?
He loves it. He's
Oh.
like full on cartoon fan. All kind of cartoons he has to watch. Yeah.
Is it? So he
Yeah.
likes, like what all devices? Is it mobile alone or TV?
Generally, either television or tab. These are the two things.
Oh my God. Just 5-year-old kid.
Yeah.
Okay. So how long he would be there?
He would be there, I think, majorly during lunchtime. All the 3 meals he has to watch with the tab. He has to eat with a tab. And apart from that, so you can say like 4-5 hours to daily ho hi jata hai, ma'am.
Okay. Anyway, we will address that issue. Leave it to us. You are here for that. So before that, would you like to know something about me?
Absolutely.
Okay, let me brief you. So as you see on the screen that I'm here, I'm a grandmom to a 7-year-old kid, mom to my 2 lovely grown-up children. I'm a speaker, co-author of 3 different books. Here it is. And I'd served for 4 decades with a Apex Regulatory Bank, which was into rural development. After completing this service, my corporate life, I was free, got retired. And with this, that was the end of my living with compulsion, my corporate life, and the beginning of new era for me. of living with my own choices, my passions. And I believe age is never a factor, it is just a number. Isn't it, Nanki?
That's true.
Yeah. So my passion is basically to give back to society, which I had right from my early days. And that was one reason why I opted for NABARD, because that was a profession which combined my profession and my passion. Being a development bank, I love to go and work on development projects. I switched over from commercial banking to development banking. And now the profession is no longer with me, but I hold on to my passion to give back to society. I have ample time, which is not an issue. I have passion for kids. I always consider that kids are our future. It is for us to mold them, what we want them to be like. And this is what made me rediscover myself as parenting coach. This is my post-retirement that I rediscovered as what is that I, in what way I can contribute to the society. And I said, what better way can it be more than working on the kids, giving them a good foundation, giving them a strong foundation, and which will make them take their life ahead. So this is what made me take parenting coach. Thereafter, I had been a speaker and co-authored 3 international best-selling books. This is all I went with the flow, and it really helped me. My articles have been published in these 3 international books. One was about my own story, that is the Revive and Thrive, a gift from a father. That was in my first book. In the second book, Garden of Hope, that was screen time in quarantine. And the third one, North Star, the article on boredom to freedom, which has contributed and given tips to parents as to how they can navigate their children from boredom to freedom. Moreover, during the pandemic conditions, which we are going through now. So this is me, myself here with you, and I'm on a mission to help millions of parents to empower them as to how they can help their kids to navigate themselves in this digital era. And I look forward to have a beautiful world where a young one grow up and they live happily and joyfully. This is brief about myself, Nanki. And here I carry forward with my mission. And I'm feeling so grateful to have you here. And let us take further our concern. Here, you will learn how to inculcate tech discipline in your kids while they grow up in the tech environment. As you said, Nanki, that you are so busy with your profession, and your profession is based on technology. And since you are yourself engaged with technology, it must be very difficult for you to keep your young one away from it. Isn't it? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So when you are working constantly with technology, it must be very difficult for you to keep your kids away from it. The same thing. And here where the role comes as to how parents can balance out both. So can you share some more concerns that you are feeling?
What you said about technical discipline is, I myself am not so much technically, I mean, मैं इतना नहीं use करती हूँ. In fact, my husband uses it more actually. So
Oh,
that's something, and he is around like in the night only, but because he's working, and I'm also working, but during our family time, we try to spend it with the child. because he's very young right now. Problem is not that we don't like we use technology a lot. Problem is basically that we don't have the kind of time that I just said, okay,
Okay.
to involve the child in other things so that he's busy, like especially on weekends, because that day, uh, whole day, although we try to be with the child and with each other, but we also have home chores to do. When even my husband helps me, but at the same time, I feel that uh, there is a tendency of on our end के भाई बच्चे को busy रखना है तो just if you want to do something and because he'll keep on cribbing मम्मी इधर आओ it becomes very difficult and sometimes very frustrating. I have to work
Yeah.
and कई बार ऑफिस का काम भी पेंडिंग हो जाता है वीकेंड्स में so then that's the best way I feel that बच्चे को बिठा दो और टैब दे दो भाई like for 2 hours no problems. But then it becomes very difficult after that because then he doesn't want to leave the tab. That's also another concern. So that is something which is frustrating even more. क्योंकि फिर वही होता है ना that I have to scold him, otherwise he doesn't listen, and then I end up regretting it later. But then
Mhm.
that's how we as parents we have to discipline our children. So
True.
I don't know if there is a better way to it. I don't know that. Maybe you could tell us.
Yeah, I do understand. That is it. When you want child to be self-engaged and you have some relief from attending to him. And the best way that parents feel in the current time is the devices. You put on the TV, you'll be busy watching and you can get time for yourself. Time is a big factor. So to manage time, these gadgets are very conveniently used and they are playing some role in parenting. They're helping out parents. When parents don't find any other support, these are the things where they look forward and they can use them when they need it, isn't it? And this is how the child gets into the screen time. Right. That is true. Because the present circumstances are like that. The lifestyle is such. But at the same time, we are responsible parents. So we know what we need to do and how we need to do, how much we need to do, and where we need to do. So there are so many questions to it. Today, to save our time or to get time, we may encourage child, but tomorrow it will be we who will be wanting them to stop looking at the devices. Because today we give them the exposure to devices and they get used to it. But let me tell you, the same thing falls on us. In this process, probably we are taxing on our future. We are paying heavily for it. And it works very badly in every aspect of the child, including the relationship with parents. Slowly they get more toward the devices than the parents, more likability, right? So here we are to understand what discipline we can imbibe in our children. So what is good screen time, what is bad screen time, and how we can go with it, how we can manage their exposure. Now, I'll tell you, this is a very common problem. Even I had gone through. So my next slide, here it is. This is my some incidents of my life which changed things for me. See, there was a time when after retirement, I came to my family. I was posted to Ahmedabad, and it was for a decade that I was there. My family was in Mumbai. My son, my daughter-in-law, and my grandson, they were in Mumbai. My husband was with me in Ahmedabad. And after retirement, when I came back to my family, and I was so happy about it that I would be with my own people, which I've been missing all through with different postings at different place. And for a decade, now you can imagine when I'm coming back, my son has grown up by a decade. And it was during that period he had got married. He was blessed with a son. And when I am back, that son of his, of my own son, was 4 years old. And I would love to be with him. What best moment can it be for me? I know my children are grown up. They won't have time. They'll be busy in their own careers and other things. But here I had something, a true gift, and where I can enjoy and have wonderful moments with him. But was the boy interested in me, my young one? No, he wasn't. He was more interested in the devices. And that was a real shock for me. And I knew it's going to something adversely impact him. So whenever I wanted to correct him, he had one statement to say. He would always say that, Dadi, you better go back to Ahmedabad, so that he can freely watch what he wants. And there was nobody to obstruct him. Because even his parents, who were so busy, were not able to afford time for him. But here I was there to be with him. But by that time, he has got used to certain way of living. Now, how can he change overnight? But when he made this statement, he said, you go back. And that was something which, literally, disturbed me. I said, what is I am heading for? And what is this boy heading for? We are in the same family. But he has a different way of living and the different things that he would be like to be with. I want to be with the boy, but the boy wants to be the device. And that is, I said, oh my God, I know how my kids are. They're so disciplined, self-disciplined, they are. So one is doing into engineering and he's in a good corporate and working. My daughter is a medical student. She's a medical professional. She's doing well. Both are self-disciplined and that way. But this boy, I said, my presence and he can do it. It was not tolerable by me because I have never ever tolerated such things. No nonsense type, it was sort of like that. I can't accept this. I said, it's okay, beta. That's what you feel. Let me do what I can. And then I started wondering, how can I change this boy? And I worked on it and I was prepared for it. My mindset was ready for it. I said, no, I can't spoil his future. And I came up with action points. And it took me time. It was not easy. I had to convince everybody, including his parents, so that they don't encourage him. And with everything, with all the support, which slowly it took time. And very patiently, it's okay. If sometimes it go out of it, it's okay. But I know in the long run where he has to reach. And today, let me tell you, this boy is still at home during pandemic conditions. That is why I shared his stories in the book. How he transformed, what made him transform, and how we can do it, and how working parents can also do it. And today, the same boy, his name is Dhruv. He says, Dadi, we will have fun time and no phone time. These are his wordings which he says now. And if I say now that I'm going to Ahmedabad, he says, no way. Dadi, aap kahin nahi ja rahe ho. Because how will I have my fun? And this is something which really makes me truly, truly happy about it. That now this boy who used to have his lunch, he wouldn't have his lunch without screens, watching TV and cartoon. Now he plays games and he has his lunch. I have shared those videos on this issue as to how he is having lunch without any screen time. So this is the change that has come in. And when others came to know about it, his friends, they were interested because they said during this lockdown time, we are not able to manage our children. They are literally running behind devices, they're grabbing it. And how do we do it? And if they are getting hold of the devices, how do we unplug them? This is another issue. So that's it. And I have been coaching them and they are really happy. And I'm so happy to see the transformation that is happening. And this is something which I look forward to spread among millions of parents and have a beautiful world where they don't have this time, a very lonely one, and just stuck to devices and be in the corner of the house. I would love them to scream, not screen. Scream with the noise that they have, the playful noise. And this is what we all parents love. And that is the outcome of my program. So Nanki, do you feel this? Are you interested in really having this transformation for your kid?
Ma'am.
Do you really
Hello.
feel interested in having such transformation
Yes,
for your
ma'am,
kid?
definitely. Definitely, ma'am. 100%. I really need this, I think. Yeah.
Yes. Now he
Yeah,
volunteers, my
exactly.
grandson volunteers. Okay. And I will show you how it is. What are the steps that I have in my program? I'll show you that. This is it. This is my primary level. How we can divert their attention and how can they have the access to the devices, monitor the viewing, and get them into new exciting activities. And this program is said to be Damn the Mobile. This is the primary step for any child to take up. And this is what brings the change in them. The simple 4-step model, but it is a deeper into it with tools and strategies, which will make very simple for the parents to implement it. It's a very systematic approach to deal with this complex issue. And let me tell you, Nanki, this is all without any yelling. Very lovingly, you can implement this 4-step model, which will give you a good beginning to handle the devices that the children are stuck to. So this is my program in short. Okay? And let us go further. And having implemented this program, the benefits are largely into 3 broad categories. The important one is the relationship with the parents, which holds a strong bonding, which is the basis of relationship, the bonding. Then the overall personality of the child, the social skills.
Ma'am, I can't do it.
Yes.
Okay,
Hello.
sorry. Yeah. All right. Sorry.
Am I audible? Yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah.
And the third major benefit is the academics. If he is very disciplined in his tech time, he will be able to focus on his academics. So these are the 3 major benefits that would be from the program, that is the Damn the Mobile. Okay. And let's go further. Now, before I go to my offer for this program, okay, let me tell you, here it's like a package. We have to work on the parents, we have to work on the child, and we need to have some masterminds as a follow-up, where the implementation of the program is taken care of. It's more of learning and sharing and cross-discussion, sharing of experiences by various parents, all the members of this program. I already have 50 members in this club. There are 50 members in this mastermind. But anything that you would like to know further?
How many hours, I mean, how much time we as parents will have to give in this workshop? And after that, like if we need to implement it, like how many hours will it take
Yes. So this is
per
weekly
day?
program. Yeah. For 3 months. And every
3
Friday
months.
night,
Okay.
yeah, every Friday night it is for 2 hours. It is from 8 to 10
Okay.
p.m. 8 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah. So four weeks in a month. For 3 months, it comes to 12. So this program is for 90 days.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I missed you.
This program, yeah, this program is for 90 days.
Okay. Every day, like regularly 90 days.
Yes, for every Friday. It is weekly
Every Friday.
program. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
On each Friday, we discuss the modalities. And then the full week is available for implementation. Because we are dealing with a human being. We have to deal with a child. That takes time. We have to handle very patiently. It may not work
Absolutely.
immediately. It may not work immediately.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking. Like,
Yes, yes.
I feel, as parents, we feel ke jaldi jaldi ho jaye, but I know it takes time.
Jaldi jaldi only mobile can do. Only
Absolutely.
magic can be created by mobile, by devices. But when one human being is dealing with another human being, isn't it? The mechanism
Exactly.
that is working takes time because you have to work on somebody's mind. He has to accept it. We have to make him understand. And that really takes time. And that's the reason why it is kept weekly. And that is the reason.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And that's the reason we have kept it for 3 months. For any pattern to change, it takes time. So 3 months is sufficient enough for the change. It works. It is rather more. Okay. But we can deal with it. And we don't have this every day, but it is once in a week. And then for a follow-up, we have 1 year mastermind class where we can share the development that are taking place. We can share the challenges that are there and we can keep on.
Okay.
So all this included. And before we go ahead with the program, we also do child assessment. We do parents assessment. There are tools for the kid. And there are weekly calls, which I said, that is on every Friday that we have. And there are some more. Let me share with you. So here it is. Yes. Okay. Here it is, the parents' assessment. Sometimes it so happens that parents are not interested in their assessment. It's okay, it's optional. It's voluntary. If they are willing, we are there. If they are not willing, it's okay for us. Then the mastermind meeting for a year, all inclusive. And the program for parents exclusively as to how they should deal with it, and also for the child, where we share tools for the child, for the activities that they can be.
Okay.
So here we are facilitating parents. We are taking over some of the role of parents because they run out of time. So how children can be kept engaged. So we make them used to some new exciting activities, and they can be self-engaging. Yes. So this is it. Now, all this put together, the value is 25,000. Okay.
Okay.
Now here, the offer for today, only for today, is 12,000. Right? Let me go further. Here, this is the special offer. That is 5,999 for the all package, full. And for the first 10 sign-ups, the offer is 3,999. This is the program for child, for the parent, and for the mastermind. All put together. It is 3,999, including for 1 year masterclass. If you join it, it's for the full year, where everything will be taken care of. Every aspect of it is taken care of. What are the attributes that parents need to have? What is the mindset of the child? What are the tools that child would enjoy to be with? At the same time, he is not bored. The child doesn't feel bored. So instead of devices, he would be busy with those activities, and he would enjoy the thrill in those activities, which will put him away from the devices. They generally run for devices because they feel bored. So how do we navigate them from the boredom? So these are the tools that we will be sharing for the benefit of child and facilitating parents in this process. So all it is, and first sign-ups are 3,999. And if you go only for the parent program, let me tell you, my dear friend, then I give a festive offer of 499. It's simply, it's a festive offer. But if you go for the package for the year, and you are one among those 10, it is 3,999, and which is going to be raised further. It's only for this batch that it is 3,999. And next time it's going to be hiked. And this program, which I'm offering for only for parents, which will not include any tools for the children, which will not have assessment and masterclass, but it's only a awareness program for parents. And for the first 10 signups, it will be 499. And it's only for today. I'll leave it to the parents. Okay? Because even if I say 3,999 is something much, much, much lesser than any weekend holiday, I would say. And on the other hand, this 3,999 is something, a great transformation for your child for life. It's nothing. The amount of value that will be provided and transforming the child, the way you can see my grandchild. That amount of value and transformation in 3,999, I would say, is nothing. So it's for parents thinking the future of the child, what you want your child to be, what is your aspiration. It's for you. This is a wonderful offer, a golden offer. Isn't it? Yes. And here are some more bonuses coming. Let me discuss some bonuses. You have membership for lifetime. for repeating this program for which you're enrolling. Because the new versions keep on coming up. And you don't have to pay again for the fees. You're free to join. If you want to refresh, you're free to join without any payment. And then I share the copy of my 3 books where I've shared real life stories. And that is really pleasure. It gives good insights. And parents, I'm sure you would love it. I share a copy of my books, all the 3 books. And I also have an e-book called Art of Parenting. I would be also sharing that. So, which discusses on the myths of parenting, the various myths which are there in parenting. You get immense inputs and insights. So, what are you thinking? What do you say?
Ma'am, I had a question. So this 10 signups for the parents and the first 10 signups, so how will we get to know, like if we are one of the 10 people, we'll get the same price as quoted in the, when we are going to pay?
Right. Whoever is signing up, it will be immediately displayed on the chat box.
Sure. Great.
So first 10 who
Great,
are
I
coming
will
on the
enroll.
chat box. Whoever first 10 who are appearing on the chat box are the ones, the first 10 signups.
Okay.
So
Great.
here's the
I will do
link.
that.
Here is the link. You can send it on my Paytm. InstaMojo link also will be sent to you on the chat box. My team will be sending that on the chat box. You can click the link, go ahead with the payment, you take a call, see what you aspire your child to be, and in what direction, in what state your child is now, what you want him to be. It's a great opportunity, I would say. I pour out my heart here, literally, because this is out of my passion. I would love to do it for the sake of children. Of course, I love to do it and to see transformation. So here is an opportunity, parents, and then this was for your questions. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a great session and I would love to enroll and yeah, as soon as I can.
Yeah, just think over. It's a wonderful opportunity. Okay, so the first 10, see, already names have started popping up and it may close any moment. So take it fast. A timely decision will help you for your life. Come on. See here already 4, 5 I can find on my chat. The 4, 5 names, my team is putting up the names. So 5 candidates have already come up. So Nanki, just think over. I'll leave it to you. But once it is timed up, then the rate will be different. You know, it will be 5,999 and not 3,999. So work on it fast.
Yes,
what do you say?
Definitely.
Yes. What do you say? Come on, quick. Yeah.
I'm on it, ma'am. Need to confirm with my husband, but I will convince him and then we'll sign up today itself.
Fine. So here it is. Would you not like to take the advantage of first 10?
I would actually, so can I pay you right now? I can pay you, but I don't have like Paytm and all, but I can pay by net transfer. So that's okay, right?
Yeah, that's okay. My team will help you out. They'll get connected to you. They'll get connected to you. They'll share the details. I do have InstaMojo that also they can put the link in the group. My team, please share the link of InstaMojo on the group and you can go ahead with that. I do have an
Okay,
account with
great.
Instamol. They'll be doing it. Okay, so nice
Great.
meeting you, Nanki. It was
Same here,
wonderful.
ma'am.
Yeah. So
Thank you
good
so
to have
much,
you.
ma'am.
Good to have you, and for this mission, which I'm looking forward to, and you being one of them is good. Lovely. Let's do and bring the change.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you. See you.
Thank you, ma'am. See you.